This video will show the installation steps for a Systimax 360 G2 iPatch 32 MPO fiber shelf. The steps are very similar for all shelves in this family, including the iPatch 96 fiber LC distribution panels, Instapatch shelves, and the iPatch 32 MPO shelves. For specific detailed steps and instructions applicable to each of the above-mentioned shelves and models, please refer to the instruction sheet included with the product. Begin by unpacking components and review with the list. If not already removed, slide the cover off the shelf. Take a moment to review the connection from each iPatch kit to the backplane kit and make sure it is firmly seated. This connection comes pre-assembled. Remove the tape securing the panel bus jumper to the cable support in the rear of the shelf. Route the panel bus jumper with protective corrugated tubing around the end and to the outside of the rail. Position the white retainer clip towards the end of the rail as shown. Next, position the flat retainer clip on the side of the rail. These will hold the exposed panel bus jumper cable safe in place. Carefully mount the shelf in the rack. Connect the keyed female 10-pin connector on the panel bus jumper into the nearest cable bus port on the panel bus. Install spare port built into jumper cordage into the panel bus frame by turning it at an angle, inserting into frame, and turning it back perpendicular to frame. There should be enough slack in the rear to allow the shelf to move all the way to the front without pulling or damaging the panel bus cable. Next, position trough so edge rests on clips and outer edges align with those of shelf mounting flanges. Then, push down on trough on the points indicated until fully seated on horizontal flange of clips. When finished installing all intelligent panels in the rack, power up the controller and program order of panels. For additional information, contact your local CommScope representative.